How did that?
He's a real fat fucker with a drug history. Got involved in an orgy while on Mad TV.
Yeah!
He was high on coke as he got filleted. Somehow dude blew his load. Artie almost stayed it. Artie took a cum shot. His hot man goo is what he got.
Oh, that's great.
Artie took a cum shot. He's fucking gay.
Artie snorts heroin. Artie snorts heroin. Artie snorts heroin. Artie snorts heroin. He snorts heroin just like cocaine. 'Cause he's so fat that he can't find a vein. Artie snorts heroin.
Artie loves the vending machine. Cookies, candy, and cupcakes filled with cream. Vending machine 3 times a day is part of his routine. Oh yeah, the vending men are pissed again 'cause Artie wiped it out clean. Ooh, there he goes, that big fat load up to the vending machine.
Artie's a fat fucker with 283. He can't even see his cock when he pees.
It's not true.
He's got a huge hot air balloon head. Artie's a fat fucker, a fat fucker.
Artie loves pancakes. He'll wash them down with chocolate shakes. He's gaining so much goddamn weight 'cause Artie loves pancakes. He's gonna be on Entourage, but his ass is the size of a garage. He's gonna lose that job.
How good that looks.
He can't wipe his ass on the bowl 'cause all those pancakes block his asshole. What a fat slob. 'Cause Artie loves pancakes.
Right.
He'll wash them down with chocolate shakes. He's gaining so much goddamn weight 'cause Artie loves pancakes. Artie loves.
Artie wants to look at how it's cocked. Look at how it's cocked. Look at how it's cocked. Artie wants to look at how it's cocked. Look at how it's cocked.
Artie the junkie is a big fat guinea slob. With a drug problem, he's a lazy bum. How does he keep his job? Artie the junkie took a load on his chest, that's gay. He did some blow, Dana said, gotta go, so he called his dealer that day. Oh, there must have been some chocolate in that heroin he found. 'Cause when he snorted it up his nose, his ass got fat and round. Artie the junkie, he weighs 300 pounds.
Yeah.
Double dunks, Pop-Tarts, Hawaiian punch, he'll soon be in the ground. Merry Christmas, Artie, you fat tub of whale shit! Fuck you!
Wow.
I love